guys, my name is Kern and welcome back to Octane Street, the road here YouTube that never ends. And today I have episode number 3 in my Life as an Apprenticeship series. Now in today's episode I'm going to be showing you guys what it's like to change tires as well as balancing those wheels and tires after the fact. Now the purpose of this series is to kind of give viewers an idea of what it's like to be an apprentice mechanic so that you guys can make a better decision and have a little bit more of an idea before you guys actually opt into this trade yourselves. So it's because of that reason that I've decided to leave all raw sounds in this video, which means for some of you viewers it might actually get a little bit annoying or distracting. Now what I mean by this raw noise and ambient sounds is working in a mechanic shop often gets very loud and very noisy. However, as you start to work in this environment day in day out, you kind of learn to tune out the noise and it becomes like you almost don't even hear what's actually going on in the background. However, editing this video and some of my other videos is when I really realize how much noise actually goes on in the background. And again, for this video I've decided to leave most of that in without any filter so that you guys could get an idea of what it's actually like to work in a shop, because it's something that some people might actually overlook. And so I figured it's kind of important to give you guys that sense of realism and give you guys that sense of actually being in the shop and being a part of this environment. So with that being said, I hope you guys could leave me your thoughts on this idea of me leaving, raw sounds and ambient noises in these videos in the comment section right below that like button. Would you guys prefer this realism style, or would you guys prefer that sped up style where I just throw music over top it so you guys don't have to hear any of these loud or obnoxious noises? The choice is yours. Just make sure you let me know in the comment section right down below.
Pardon?
Master that thing yet?
Master, I know how to work it at least.
You know how to do it with fucking up the wheels?
the arm.
Buying any tools yet?
Pardon?
Buying any tools yet?
A lot.
Yeah, with a gold beam?
Do I have a gold here? No, I don't. Mo, what PSI? 45. 45? 45 Tesla? Yeah. Yeah, he said 45. That's one.
That's 2 down. I got 2 more to go, and then we're gonna balance them on the balance machine. Let's get it. Saturday morning grind, you feel it. Just gonna balance these tires. Yo, never mind. Don't check it out. You're mocking me. I'm just doing the YouTube talk. Vlogging. Worst part of these is just fucking cleaning these fucking wheels. Some of my tools are on it too. Some of my stuff is on it too. Please Lord, please Lord, please Lord.
This is the one for bull, right? Sure?
Yeah.
Oh, done.
That's alright.